Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming access. Sign into the exact Google account that manages the business. Once signed in, open Google Maps or the Business Profile Manager. Both work. Make sure your new image meets basic specs, JPG or PNG, less than 5 MB, and ideally around 720 by 720 pixels. This prevents upload failures. Now navigate to the business listing. You should see an Edit or Photos option. Click it to begin replacing or adding the profile picture, so the next steps are immediate. Once in Photos or Profile Photo within your dashboard, choose the Owner-Managed Photo area to ensure visibility. Click Add Photo or Upload, then select the prepared image from your device. When prompted, crop and rotate to center your main subject. This improves how it appears in search and maps. After you confirm, Google will process the image. This takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. Make sure you don't navigate away until the upload completes, and refresh the listing to see the provisional update. After processing, inspect the profile on both desktop and mobile to confirm the new image displays where expected. If you don't see it immediately, clear your browser cache, refresh, and remember that Google can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate changes. If the wrong photo remains, make sure you're uploading as the profile owner. Remove or request removal of conflicting images from other users. If issues persist, sign out and back in, or try a different device. Ownership and temporary caching are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.